How to disable recommended videos on YouTube app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to disable recommended videos on YouTube application, open the YouTube application on your device first. Here tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the gear-like icon on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for your data in YouTube. Tap on that. You will be led to this type of interface. Here you will be able to view all your YouTube history, so go ahead and scroll down until you see the option for manage your YouTube watch history. Tap on that. Here you will see the option for delete. Tap on that and then tap on the delete all time option. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on delete again on the bottom right of your screen, and with this all your YouTube history will be deleted, and once the history is deleted you will no longer receive recommendations. And this is how you can disable recommended videos on YouTube application. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.